Are messy spreadsheets bogging down your data analysis and wasting your time? Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to banish duplicate rows in Google Sheets and get your data sparkling clean. First things first, let's select all the data you want to check for duplicates. The simplest way is to click on the gray square in the top left corner, just above row 1 and to the left of column. This highlights your entire sheet. Now, head up to the top menu bar and click on Data. In the Data menu, you'll see an option called Data Cleanup. Hover over that, and then click on Remove Duplicates. A small window will pop up. Here's the crucial part. Make sure the box labeled Data has header row is checked. If your spreadsheet has headings, this tells Google Sheets to ignore your header row when looking for duplicates. Now choose which columns you want Google Sheets to consider when identifying duplicates. By default, all columns will be selected. If you want to remove rows that are exactly the same across all your columns, leave them all checked. If you only care about duplicates in, say, email addresses and names, you would uncheck the other columns. Once you've made your selections, simply click the Remove Duplicates button at the bottom of the pop-up. And just like that, Google Sheets will tell you how many duplicate rows it found and removed. Your data is now streamlined, accurate, and ready for efficient analysis.